Right, okay guys, not having a good day today, actually having a real crap day, but that's what life's all about, isn't it? Just crap, just chucks crap at you every chance it gets. So I decided I'm going to set myself a goal, right? You ready for this? You all ready for this? Right. Now, I've got no rubber gloves left, so, because my son loves gloves, and I haven't got any. He's used every single bloody pair. And it's PPE, so it's not available anywhere. So I've got no PPE, so I'm having to risk getting oil contamination on my hands, and that's probably going to be really bad and all that crap. But let's be honest, could be worse, could be COVID. Anyway, so at the moment in time, I've sort of done a bit of a mess around here. I've cleaned off the old cam covers. Now, the things you haven't seen, which I'm really sorry about. Windscreen fit, we've got on video, and I think we've got a test. We've had to cut it, and we've had to jack it about. Now, I don't know whether you saw it in the video. You might have done. I don't know whether my son's going to edit it out all out. I don't know, maybe he will. But we have quite a few slices and dices going on with the windscreen frame. Main reason because the screen frame is too low on one side, too high on the other. So much had rotted out of one portion of it that it actually dropped down. It was too low that side and too far bent in this side. So I pulled part it out, but the frame, as you can see, collapsed. So I've got another bit of screen frame, so I'm going to let you piece of screen frame in, but I need to test fit the screen ones first. So that's that. What I'm missing today is to do one of those, you know those lovely when they first start videos where they go, first start. I'm going to go for a first start. I have never done a first start. I've never wanted to do a first start. But to be honest, at this moment in time, I need something to cheer me up. And alcohol's not working, so we'll say we're going to keep going. We're going to keep doing it. We're going to keep trying. Because even when we've done this, I've still got the sunroof. I've got another idea of the sunroof. I might not seal it up. I might alter it and put in a Tudor Master with a frame, without the wooden frame. We'll see. I'm getting a bit of resistance about that because they don't seem to like the idea of it. It means less paint, which I think is a good idea for me because the bonnet's going to be bad enough. So, for the minute, guys, lovely to talk to you. Hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, don't look because it's too painful. And yeah, she might be a bit of an old rough old girl, but you know what? She's actually a rough old girl that's been inspected by DVLA and deemed to be one of the most original cars they've ever seen. Got the written report. So hey, like and subscribe. Follow me about, guys. Talk to you soon.